Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to knit. I have here my Windmill Slouchy Hat, which is a pattern for sale in my Ravelry store. And this video is specifically made to address the row 15 of this pattern, where there will be crossing of cable like this one. And in my pattern, it is called 2/1/2 RPC, or Right-leaning Purl Cable. Okay, so we will get to that. But if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. Once in a while, I have knitting tutorial, and this is one of them. Okay, so for the pattern of this hat, slouchy hat, if you are interested, it's in my Ravelry store again, and I will be writing the link down in the description below. Okay, it's very nice, slouchy, and make sure to use yarn with a very good drape, like the one I used, which is also in the pattern. Okay, all right, so let's get to it. Okay, so for our 2/1/2 RPC, or right-leaning purl cable, we will work on 5 stitches of our left hand needle. So we will work on 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I am working now at the end just to illustrate to you how to join the two together. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is keep our working yarn to the front and our right hand needle in front too, and then transfer 3 stitches from our left hand needle to our cable needle. So 1, 2, and 3, and we keep that cable needle at the back. And then let's remove that marker, and then we knit 2, 1 and 2. Okay, and then we are done with the knit 2, and we need a purl in between those 5 stitches. So our third stitch is a purl. So we get this leftmost stitch out from the 3 in our cable needle. We move it back to our left hand needle. Okay, there you go. Alright, now what we do with that is we purl it. So keep your yarn in front and make a stitch, purl stitch. And then for the last 2, we work it off the cable needle by knitting them. Okay, knit, make sure I knit the right 1 and 2. Alright, so if you see, our cable is on the right, leaning to the right. Okay, in my pattern, I said put your marker right after the purl stitch. So what I would do, I would take the 2 last knit stitch and put my marker right here, and then put this back, and then continue with the next row. Okay, all right, so if you have more questions, please leave it in the comment section below, or otherwise you can still leave a message to me right in my Ravelry. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye now.